Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Thakur. Welcome to my YouTube channel Shivan's Tech guys. I hope you all are doing well practice in your AutoCAD learning sessions. In a previous tutorial we have understand the flip command, and in today's tutorial we are gonna understand the chamfer command. Chamfer command is basically a corner cutter command. We can cut any corner with respect to any distance according to our requirement by using chamfer command, and we can activate the chamfer command by using shortkey CHA in any version of AutoCAD. So alright guys, let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming videos. Alright guys, let's draw a freehand rectangle here to understand the concept of chamfer. I just draw this. For activating the chamfer command, you can go here in modify command bar and you can select chamfer from here. We can see distance that is going here. There is one option of distance. Distance 1 is 2 mm already entered and 2.5 is already entered. So if you want to change it, for that you need to click on the distance. You can enter the distance according to the requirement. I'm going to enter 3 mm for first line and 3.5 mm for second line. And you can also keep the same distance. It's totally up to you. So alright guys, now this is asking to select first line. Just click here. I just click here, so we can see this line I'll firstly select it. So 3 mm of this line and 3.5 mm of this line has been cut. So but we are out of command, so if we wanna do more than one corner at one time, so for that we have to select multiple here. I just did here, but I'm still in command. I did this, I did this, so I can do this on some another object also. So guys, this is the concept of chamfer command. I hope you understand. Let's draw one more rectangle to understand the concept. It's totally almost the same features are here available in chamfer and fillet command, but the difference is fillet is a radius giver, fillet command gives some radius to the corner, but the chamfer command cuts the corner. So this is the mainly difference between chamfer and fillet command. So guys, this is the rectangle that I have drawn. Let's activate chamfer command here. CHA, then enter. There is one option of polyline. I just click here. Now if I just click here, all the same distance would work here, or if I wanna change the distance, so I can by entering here. There is one more feature of angle. Actually when we use chamfer, there are two methods of using chamfer. First one is distance that we are working now, we are using now right now for distance method, and second one is angle method. I'll just show you how it works. So I just click here, or we can say all the corners has been cut. So I hope you understand. And undo this. I have this undo, and let's select the chamfer command. CHA. Then space. Guys, there is one option of angle. Specify chamfer length on the first line. In this we have to enter the first line length, that is I will enter 5 mm, and then I'm going to enter the distance, that is 30 degree, or I'm going to enter 45 degrees. Enter. So we can see I just click here and I click here, so we can say on this line 5 mm is from upside to downward side, and then it has been cut to the 45 degree. If you want, I can show you the degree. 45 degrees here, And if you want to check the distance, so you can five mm. So this is the angle method. This is the second method of using chamfer command. So alright guys, let's understand once more. So distance method we have understand, angle method we have understand. Method, there are two methods. Number first one is angle, second one is distance. I have told you we are working in distance right now. That's okay. Multiple, if we wanna do multiple more than once, so we can by clicking on multiple. There is one more of a left, that is trim. If I just click on trim and I just click on no trim, my corners is not gonna trim and the line will be added. I'll show you how. So enter distance here, that is 3 mm and 3.5 mm. I just select all the line here, but we can see the remaining part is not trimmed. This line is added, but remaining part is not trimmed. So this is the concept of trim option. If we will select on no trim, our remaining part will not be trimmed. It is the same as in the split command. So guys, all the features of chamfer command has been covered in today's tutorial. I hope you understand, and if you like the video, please like and share the video, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming videos. And thanks for clicking. Stay tuned.